Welcome to Living in a Double World. My name is Ana Maria Quevedo.
And I'm Felix Quevedo. Let's talk about taxes.
Do we have to?
Of course we do. We all pay taxes.
The different taxes in the tax system, you have to understand there's federal taxes, state taxes, sales taxes, property taxes, and so if you start with the fundamental taxes, federal tax is the number one that most people recognize in our tax system, and those are all broken down by the different rates based on income, and it starts off at 10% all the way up to 35%. So there's different tax brackets and then different rates in each tax bracket. So as you go up on the rates, your tax bracket increases, the more taxes you pay. Our Fed tax is based on W-2 wages or self-employment income wages. So you have to look at those two components, and it's basically based on earned income. So if you work in the U.S., you're going to be subject to federal taxes. Okay? With state taxes, normally, different states have different plans. Texas is not a state tax state, but many other states are. And with that, they're taxing you based on a different percentage. And each state has its own percentages and based on your income earned in that state. So for example, if I lived in California, I would be taxed at the California rate for my state tax, but I would be taxed for income taxes for federal just like everybody else throughout the U.S. So state taxes is very particular, very specific to the state that you work in. And not all states have state taxes, but again, there's a list what the IRS has that which are state tax applicable. Okay. The other taxes are property taxes. Property taxes are subject to, again, to your property. Now, every state's property tax is different. Again, in different states, some are based on school districts, some are based on city tax or city taxes with the schools in different localities. Many states have different property taxes and variations with their property tax, and many are based on the value of a home. And property tax, again, is a percentage taxes based on your home value, and those tend to fluctuate year to year. So one of the things you have to understand is the tax assessing in that state for property taxes. Sales taxes is another tax that is out there that is applicable to business owners who collect sales taxes. So if you are a business that sells retail and your business is supposed to collect sales taxes, then you're required to charge that sales tax, and if you buy from retail stores, you'll be paying that extra tax, sales tax. So it's food, retail products, normally are consumable goods, meaning personal goods, customer goods. That is when you pay the sales tax.
We wish you blessings and guidance to all.
Till next time.